Nimefurahi sana bibi yangu. Umenipatia mtoto wa kwanza na anakuambia hata ukiwa tayari nitakupea mwingine.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
I'm readying myself.
Yes. Nyumba hii atia?
Yararame.
Yararame. Na wewe na gukuja ukihendia ngiati.
Kira mwekani mwana mureraga mutiendere mwendete.
We atiriri ndikiko ikurunado. What's wrong with people?
Ni mwana ocio tumaga.
Nyumba gwaku ri?
Yes.
Nyumba gwaku ni malavidavi. Na wakira mutumia ni ngatho muno. Ndudu aginya uona tukinyete. Na ni hinya waga. You are even invoking the name of God.
Yes.
Na invoke uginya ritwa ria mwathani. Ati nakwambia I'm so happy. Ukanyita rukana kau by the way ugakarora. Nikakinya mieri na mieri itandatu no karakura nikambia guthie na maguru na riu hindi ona urakiaria na mutumia ngukimura uria ukimwendete no anyita.
Yes.
Na ninaguku njorera urera ari angi amaridi lakini niwe napenda
huyo tunakaanga naye sababu ya mtoto.
Tunakaanga naye sababu ya mtoto.
Unajua sasa niliona badala ya kumfukuza na aende na mtoto wangu na mimi napenda mtoto. Mtoto hakuwa na shida.
Ni wewe na huyo mtoto mimi napenda.
Ma,
niwe na huyo mtoto.
Mimi nakupenda.
You know, yeah, it's a girl named after my mother.
Yes.
It's a girl.
The most precious gift I have ever gifted myself. Imagine my mother.
Ni katika hii dunia mimi napenda watu watatu.
My mother, na wewe, na mtoto.
Na huyo mtoto.
I can do anything for you.
Nakabo ikitono wako ria wetagwo Kirimerire. Akameria munyongoro duano rurigi gataratari kana gekira gwa iguru
nginya kuyamerie guoko kwa mute
akuyaguizie mute uria wothe akuyamerie mute ucio maheni matheri
na ni aramenya ni maheni.
And when still you go back into that house,
yes,
you know, sometimes you even don't understand. When you still go back into that house,
yes,
there is the warmth. Na maundu maya makiragirwo mutumia riu wa mburi tondu maundu maria meragirwo mutumia wa mburi muthuri ni makorwo me mutigaru muno na andu angi makona gukunja.
Yes,
yeah, makorwo me tofauti muno.
Yes,
they are different. Mareragirwo no arathi na mbere na kwirirwo ona uria gwikirwo no arathi na mbere na gwikirwo
na kuhingirio.
Riria mukahitania utuike ati muiretu uri ati ni mahitania na kanda ino ni hacoka kuhingukirwo agakirwo we wari wa good time.
Yes, ihinda rĩa kũrĩu nĩ ithiru.
Yes. No riu ni acio riu aria mekuo tha eno ri maraingira mari ogi mo everything.
Ni aramenya you just want to have fun.
Taru miaka ino yothe ndurite njugite ati ndina nyina wa mburu mundu angiuka gukwa gwika atia na no mokaga.
Toma, can we name them?
They're still coming.
Na ni maona maiguaga. Yes.
And audacious by the way.
Yes.
Yeah.
Audacity.
And they have no choose.
No.
Yeah, they'll tell you I know.
Yes, kwani yeye ndiye anataka si mimi wewe nimeobeniambia.
Si ndio?
Yes, yeye.
Alenda ndimwire atia. Ndimwire ati I'm married but it is you I love. I'm married but it is you I love.
The part of being married I know.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
I know you by would it come to you if you are not married?
Na nimakwira okego mundu akwira atiri mimi hata kama utanipenda mimi nakupenda.
Ukaange ukijua hivyo. Whatever you do with that information is up to you.
Ewe bana idera. Niti wathi ukina rwimbo ruria ruria ndikane rwanjeru kane ruria
wow
rwaja uci ndikane rwanjeru kane rwa ida rwanjeru kana cha uci wa cira rwitagwo nguthie ngimomoraga
ni wa cira
ndi wathi ukimomora hayo madhabahu ndo kibomoa. Ewe no, you see is unfortunate, very unfortunate. Na ni wewe unajua atiriri kutwali uhoro wa maviu Unataka kuikiria atia?
Yes.
Unataka nikufanyie nini? Na nimekuja nimekwambia ati I'm married but it is you I love.
Yes.
What is that? Hiyo hata ni laini ya aina gani? What? The conversation ya nateo.
No.
Every conversation ya with them all. Now is this guys. Mwashoka nyumba kera mutumia I love you so much. And I cherish you a lot.
Yes.
And I don't know what I could be without you.
If it were not you.
If it were not you.
Yes.
Okamuganai. Akaigua wegai. Akaigua wegai.
Yes.
No washoka imira bypass ri. Mwena mundu na turaigira anywe muratina na guku ri. Etago.
Okay, ni govia.
Mwena govia ri.
Na sha usikaru no thaya.
Bwasa mania no shoka mwira I'm married but it is you I love. Okay, what go feel like I got? Oh yes, yeah. I know he's married. Yeah, he's married.
But I know he loves you.
Yeah, and I know he loves you.
Is that can go via?
Yeah, he's married. Yeah, he's married. But I know it is you he loves.
Yes.
What is that? Ukagiroko twakinyire hau atia riu twakire tugikinya atia hau. And that's where we are.
Yes.
Yeah. You see, miaka yakwa riu ira ndi nayo ri ti ya gukwira ni ngwendete
asa
ona ti ya gukora ati twari uhoro wa nyina wa mburu ati nigetha egia na good time nawe
asa
miaka yakwa ni open ri maito renda atia Saturday no ndiro ata ndi firikiasi
ni ori onginjira
wethere ni niga kuhurira
I'll wait, no problem.
Wethere ni niga kuhurira
I'll wait, no problem.
Oga tujue girubes.
Yes.
What is that? They are married, but it is you. It is you I love.
Yes.
Ona ndio ungembeta ki. Ni utapeli wa hali ya juu.
Yes.
Conmanship game. Conmanship game.
Yes.
And let me tell you, nito kwenda twarageria rume. Haha. Ona tia uthie na ngano cia your wife.
Asa. Asa.
Siana na hizo story.
Go straight to the point.
Haitakusaidia.
Unajua ni ukora uko nayo.
Haitakusaidia. Yes. Tia uthindo kigera na guku kona inura ati ugukagana ritwa ria waki. Ndoire ucio kamwira ona ati sasa ni nini? Ni nini? You go straight.
Yes. Saturday ndai kuruka na Ivasha na ndirona thabari utengira ihande wiki.
Ona mundu akonyumagaria.
Nda mundu twathie nake. We available.
Turathie kwenja mburi.
Mareira. Kweta mareira ka malewa.
Ndabata kwenja mburi maitu.
We available Saturday tuthie.
We available.
Na twathie tutiracoka. It's okay.
To her is road trip.
Utanipick wapi?
To her is a road trip. To her. You is business.
Walikuwa
jangoto. Jathie kwenja.
Na kiarona ndathie malewa.
We arona guthie malewa wathie kwenja mburi. Ndijuke agwate ndina yate ngikoya tengano cia nyina wa mburu.
Twahitanirie nake. Twahitanirie nake ndo aciana.
Nake ndo aciana. That must be a very weak man.
Yes.
What am I doing there? Kama hatusikizani sinasonga nikisongaga.
Yes.
Watu asialetwa na.
Wewe na ungekirige ikarite naye.
Jaguo corona ndi gwaku hindi ndirakwira ati tuikaranagia ni undu aciara. Waguo kokora na guku uguo. Ucemania ngakuragia ati wewe uikaraga ku.
Yes. No njoke ngikara ku thiko igiri ithatu.
Ugakenjira jikaraga na nikagura jikaraga mirema. He mutumia ndahikitie na ni twatiganire.
Na ka kasarani.
Jikaraga mirema. Njoke taru kwena he uguo twikirane rugari. Tinga no tinga. They are married but it is you I love.
Ai kwira gwakwa ni available. No ugithukomborire kundu kungi.
Ucio niguo arauga.
Ni Ndoi nake onake ti married we no ni married.
Wai tigana nake. Azara nae Kenya eno ni njari. Azara nae. Kenya eno ni njari. How do they fall into these tricks?
Yes.
Mitego ino. Na ici nicio turungano tura tuhuthagirwo ne anake mehorika riria thatebai gucoka nathi. How do anatumianga hizo style?
Yes. Mundu aya marage kana kamwe kana twiri.
Acio ni maimana guku meraga iritu ati am married but it is you I love. Ithio atukora tukuragia na githito ukiwe.
Sasa sinejua tu.
Very good. Uko available Saturday?
Give me nipe form, nitole form.
Saturday ndika batana guku kiria na guku Nyahururu haria kiraria Ndaragwa mite yakwa iratemwo hau.
Nisa, you can tag me along. Can I come with my friend?
Unaweza kuja naye, hata Gofi anakuja. Gofi tuko naye. Bodo sio nito na Gofi. Oka.
Ona nitutheje tugathicha.
Nitugathicha.
Tugereka kuri atomba.
Na tokea batanga iguo nyina mbura kiurira. Ukinyete ku?
Na hiko twahetoka girigiri.
Sa ni ugethire. Ni ugethire.
Niko kinya.
Na kama nikifika nitakwambia.
Yes.
Na kinya ku ukahura nyamwira itako video call.
Yes. Mugunda-ini ndoma ikiria ku uguo na kuna mitira atemwo.
Indo iri ta muhiki ehithe na muti umwe. Nonsense. Ehithe na muti umwe. Nonsense.
Ladies and